Hello friends, I am Dr. Amit Mahajan from Om Netralay Chalisgaon, and today I will be sharing with you one very interesting case. This was a young guy with a central PSCC. I have operated his other eye also with panoptic multifocal. As a good central 5 mm axis done, main incision of 2.2 clear corneal temporal done, good hydrodissection with delineation and nucleus pop-up has been done. And as you know, the phaco was quite simple as I have to apply only vacuum without any phaco energy and just to aspirate the soft nucleus. Phaco was quite simple. As you can notice, the whole nucleus, soft epinucleus, all everything has been cleared, and now the cortical cleanup also has been done with the bimanual irrigation and aspiration. And I was quite excited to finish the case. It was a very simple case for me, and I was very excited to finish the case. Now I have to implant Panoptix, so I have inflated back with the good visco, and I have loaded it in the D cartridge. It was Alcon D cartridge, and as you can see now, suddenly I noticed some resistance, and I came to know that my cartridge was out of the wound. And see what happened. I was stuck inside the wound. My IOL was in the wound only. It was partly inside the entry chamber and partly outside. So first I have tried to push it inside the chamber because 2/3 of the lens was inside the chamber. So I thought I have to just push it inside the chamber and it will go easily inside. But that was not the thing. So then I inflated back with the visco, and then I tried to pull it outside. But see, it was not, neither it was going inside nor it was coming outside. So I was stuck in a situation where the whole IOL with its haptics folded inside the optic got stuck in the wound. So then a thought came to my mind that if I would have been succeeded in releasing the leading haptic, then it could be easily to manage. So I tried to pull it out. So neither again leading haptic nor tailing haptic, none of the haptic was able to come outside the wound. So again I tried to push it. Again I tried to release the haptic, but both the haptics were folded and they are stuck on the optic, and they are so rigid that it was not possible for me. So then I thought just to give some pressure at the corner of the wound and just to compress and just to release the IOL, but it is again not possible. As you can see, it was not going inside, not coming outside. So then I tried to compress with the forceps and then just to push or to pull, and somehow it came outside. But see what happened. While bringing it outside the chamber, I have broken the haptic. One haptic was totally broken, and now I was not having any backup lens. So either I have to keep the patient aphakic or I have to put any other monofocal lens. So I have decided to go for a minus 0.5 correction monofocal lens, because to keep the patient aphakic for 1 or 2 days was not possible for me, and backup lens was not for me. So the biggest lesson I learned here is to always keep one backup lens with you before proceeding to the any case, any, maybe it multifocal or monofocal, one additional lens should be with you. Thank you very much.